How to write a review on Airbnb as guest. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can write a review on Airbnb as guest. Well, particularly if you're wondering that you have particularly visited a hotel or a stay and then you want to write a review on that particular place, then if you just open up Airbnb and if you just head into the particular property that you stayed, and if you see that there is no any option to write a review, right now you can see you'll be able to see the reviews, but you won't be able to write in the reviews. Now, unfortunately, that's not how it works on Airbnb. After you have completed your stay, then after you stay particularly, Airbnb will particularly send an email asking you to leave a review for your most recent host or guest. Now, within the email, there'll be a link that takes you directly to the review page, so you can share how your reservation went with other community members through that particular link. Unless that, you won't be able to write a review. So this is the only way you can write a review on Airbnb as a guest. Just simply check your email that you have registered your Airbnb account after your stay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.